Frequent flyer, fly, la 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 la. Frequent flyer is back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer? Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend the warmest welcome. And I'm out here with one of my favorites, AliExpress good find. I'll have links in the description for you guys to check this out if you're interested, and codes as well. This is my Qidi 560, and those of you who are familiar with the channel know that I had this bird already and I modified it. I used the inner parts for something else. I always vowed to get another one, and here it is. I grabbed me another one while they got these deals going on. Got it in my favorite color. The last one that I had was baby blue. This one is red. Red is my favorite color. And this thing is just awesome. It's a 1S brushless bird. Check it out. Got a little brushless motor in there. It takes standard size props and all. Well, the props that I'm used to, the drone props and all of that stuff, coming from flying drones and FPV stuff. And so really awesome little bird right here from AliExpress, the Qidi 560. It has these large wheels on it. These wheels are so large. When I had my last one, I had bought a 750 millimeter P51 Mustang from Valentex, and the wheels were smaller than this, and so I ended up swapping out the wheels and putting these wheels on that because it seemed more fitting. These wheels are huge, guys. And so this Bushplane is a really good flyer. It was one of my first, but I don't want to waste too much time. We out here at Squirrel Park and I want to get this guy up in the air. These wheels are so large, I'm thinking that maybe I can take off from all of this right here, all of this rough terrain here. We have leaves all over the place. We have little twigs and branches and stuff that fell down, but let's try to get this guy up in the air. I did do my little modification to this is not the battery bay, this is a little engine cover. It tends to pop off, and I just wanted access to that, so I put this little zip tie there, did my little modification to easily pull it off. Oh, one other thing, when you're installing these wheels, make sure that you open the battery bay, because the battery bay must be open for you to install it correctly. And this little guy is multi-protocol transmitter compatible.
Welcome to HDX.
So I have it bound up to my boxer too. Okay, so let's try to hitting some leaves. Let's see if we can take off with it. Can it do it? We're on a downward slope too, so if it does do it, it'll be amazing. Looks like we're not going to be able to do it. This is a little extreme, but let's get it up in the air. Let's take off this way. Oh, I kind of lost my speed. I was trying to get it to turn back this way, but I didn't have a lot of speed to go off. The first crash with it. Let's see, let's try to keep our speed up. Oh, I didn't notice that there were lines over here. I don't know. Don't ask me, guys. I just love it. Flying between all these trees and stuff. Oh, and we banged out. She stalled on me. and my little cover popped off. Check it out. So everything seems to be intact still. Me beating her up. The prop on this guy is pretty beefy, so I'm not really worried about the prop breaking on these crashes to the trees. But let me try to stop crashing. Nobody wants to see a bunch of crashes, right, y'all? Even though I'm having a lot of fun crashing. Let me try to slow down the crashing. Got to remember to get your speed up when you're turning with this guy. Awesome plane, y'all. I don't know if I could get a roll off in this tight space. Not sure if I can get a loop off, can I? Nope. I know it's dangerous flying around all these trees and all. Let me see if I can get a landing with her out here. We're going to come back towards us on the landing. The Qidi 560, y'all. An awesome little 1S brushless Bushplane from Qidi, from AliExpress. Good AliExpress find. I'll have links in the description again for you guys to check this out. If you're thinking about buying this, I would say go for it. This is one of my favorites. It is an awesome little plane. Pretty durable too. This prop up front is pretty strong. And I have a bunch of these props that'll fit on here. It's the Qidi 560. Thanks for watching.